Welcome to World Explorer Channel. Milkha Singh, India's flying Sikh, dies from COVID. One of India's greatest athletes, Milkha Singh, has died from COVID-related complications, aged 91. Popularly known as the Flying Sikh, Singh won 4 Asian gold medals and finished 4th in the 400-meter final at the 1960 Rome Olympics. In 2013, his story was turned into the Bollywood film Bhag Milkha Bhag, Run Milkha Run. Singh's wife, Neemal Kaur, a former volleyball captain, also died with COVID earlier this week, aged 85.
तो जब मैं कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स के लिए गया कार्डिफ के अंदर, तो वहाँ पे जैसे मेरी पब्लिसिटी यहाँ एशिया में हुई थी, तो जब मैंने रेस जीतने के बाद लोगों को पता चला कि ये तो एक गांव का रहने वाला बच्चा है, नंगे पांव ये दौड़ता था। जब पाकिस्तान से आए पार्टीशन के अंदर इसके माँ बाप मारे गए।
Independence was proclaimed and celebrated, but it had been obtained at a terrible price, and the price was the division of India, partition.
मैं तो 15-16 साल का था उस टाइम जब ये पार्टीशन हुई है।
For a while, the north of India ran with blood as Hindus and Muslims and Sikhs grimly slaughtered one another.
वो हमारे गांव के आसपास चारों तरफ हजारों की तादाद में सारे मुसलमान बैठे थे और उन्होंने हमारे गांव के ऊपर हमला किया। रात को हमला किया, लड़ाई हुई आपस में, तलवारों से और कुल्हाड़ियों से उन्होंने एक दूसरे की गर्दनें उतारी। जब ये सारे लोग मारे गए तो मेरा बाप अभी जिंदा था। उसने मुझे कहा, मिल्खा सिंह भाग जा यहाँ से, तेरे को मार देंगे। भाग के, छुप के, और नेक्स्ट डे ट्रेन पकड़ी। ट्रेन भी के ऊपर भी वो स्टेशन के ऊपर सारे मुसलमान घूमते थे और वो देखते थे सरदार कहाँ है, हिंदू कहाँ है, वो मार देते थे। तो मैं जब लेडीज़ कंपार्टमेंट में घुसा तो लेडीज़ ने घबरा गई लेडीज़, तो मैंने उनसे कहा मेरे माँ बापों को मार दिया है, आप अगर बता दोगे मेरे बारे में बाहर तो मुझे भी ये मार देंगे। तो मुसलमान आए थे उस लेडीज़ कंपार्टमेंट के अंदर, मगर उन लोगों ने बताया नहीं। मैं लेडीज़ के नीचे पाँव के अंदर लेटा हुआ था। तो इस तरह से मैं बच के यहाँ पहुँचा। मेरे जैसे जो लड़के दूसरे रेफ्यूजी जिनके माँ बाप मर गए थे वो भी वहाँ पे आए, लैंड किया उन्होंने। तो हम आपस में बातें करते रहते थे, रोते रहते थे बैठ के रेलवे स्टेशन के ऊपर। और मैं इसका क्रेडिट जो है वो आर्मी को देता हूँ, जिसने मुझे सिखाया दौड़ना। उसने मुझे बताया उसको 400 मीटर बोलते हैं।
Men and women pass Prince Philip on the saluting base.
रेस शुरू होने से पहले मैंने वाहेगुरु का नाम लिया, मत्था टेका और अरदास की कि आज इंडिया की इज्जत जो है वो आपके हाथ में है।
And the very first time this Brighton going hard round that bend.
तो मैंने वही जो कोच ने मुझे बताया था उसी तरह से मैंने फास्ट दौड़ना शुरू किया। पहला 300 मीटर और 300 मीटर तक मैं लीड कर रहा था। मैंने देखा तो मिल्खा स्पेंस तो मेरे पास ही नहीं था, तो मैंने कोशिश की और खींचने की कोशिश की और वो उस टाइम वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड होल्डर था।
Milkha Singh of India coming on the outside.
तो मैंने कोशिश की और खींचने की कोशिश की और की। मिल्खा स्पेंस जो था मेरे इधर शोल्डर के पास में आया, थोड़ा सा मुझे आवाज़ सुनाई थी।
And it's first Milkha Singh, second Spence South Africa, third.
मगर आखिर तक जो 1 फीट का फ़र्क था वो मुझे बीट नहीं कर पाया और मैं वो रेस जीत ली। उसके बाद नेशनल एंथम बजा और 1 लाख अंग्रेज़ उस टाइम स्टेडियम में था। वो सारा स्टेडियम के अंदर खड़ा हुआ है। विक्ट्री सेरेमनी ख़त्म हो गई। पंडित जी की बहन वो लेडी भागी वहाँ से VIP गैलरी में से आई और आते ही मुझे आके हग किया। उसने कहा, मिल्खा जी आपने आज कमाल कर दिया, आपने सारे देश का नाम जो है दुनिया भर में ऊंचा कर दिया।
Singh had contracted COVID-19 last month and died of complications from the disease in a hospital in the northern city of Chandigarh late on Friday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi led the tributes to the athlete, who has been described as independent India's first sporting superstar. Singh's exploits on the track and field are legendary in India. He won 5 golds in international athletic championships and was awarded the Helms World Trophy in 1959 for winning 77 of his 80 international races. He also won India's first Commonwealth gold in 1958. Singh grew up in a small village in what, during his childhood, was still British India. As a young boy who lived in a remote village in Multan province, he saw his parents and 7 siblings murdered during the partition of India and the creation of Pakistan in 1947. As his father fell, his last words were "Bhag Milkha Bhag," exhorting his son to run for his life. The boy ran, first to save his life, and then to win medals. Arriving in India as an orphan in 1947, he took to petty crime and did odd jobs for survival until he found a place in the army. It was there that he discovered his athletic abilities. Singh won gold at the 1958 Commonwealth Games in Cardiff and went on to finish 4th in the 400 metres at the Rome Olympics, missing out on a bronze medal by a whisker. In 1960, he was invited to take part in the 200m event at an international athletic competition in Lahore, Pakistan. He hadn't been back to Pakistan since fleeing in 1947 and initially refused to go. Singh eventually did go to Pakistan. Despite the huge support for his main rival, Pakistan's Abdul Khalik, in the stadium, Singh went on to win that race, while Khalik took the bronze medal. As Gen Ayub Khan, Pakistan's second president, awarded the competitors their medals, Singh received the nickname that would stick with him for the rest of his life. Gen Ayub said to me, "Milkha, you came to Pakistan and did not run. You actually flew in Pakistan. Pakistan bestows upon you the title of the Flying Sikh. If Milkha Singh is known as the Flying Sikh in the whole world today, the credit goes to General Ayub and to Pakistan," Singh told the BBC later. Even though he never won an Olympic medal, his only wish was that someone else should win that medal for India. Singh once told the BBC he used to run 6 hours every day. "I would not stop till I had filled up a bucket with my sweat. I would push myself so much that in the end I would collapse and I would have to be admitted to hospital. I would pray to God to save me, promise that I would be more careful in future. And then I would do it all over again." When the biographic film was released in 2013, Singh told the BBC that it would inspire the next generation. "We had nothing in our times. The athletes and sportsmen in those days didn't earn much money. We worked for the applause, people's appreciation inspired and motivated us, we ran for the country," he said. Thanks for watching World Explorer. Please hit on like to this video and subscribe to our channel for further useful and similar videos quickly into your YouTube notifications. Thank you.